Hello friends. Everyone knows that it's winter time uh, and suffer from and especially kids suffer from cold and cough. Now I am using nutmeg to give it its protect aromatic nature and help to prevent cough and cold of babies. I have 2 years old, my little one, so using it. Firstly, I will use regular water to warm it and a strong bake, which I have rolling board made by stone, and it's plain stone, no obstacle coming to this nutmeg. And let's see how to give it. Firstly, turn off gas and I'm taking 1 medium spoon of warm water in rolling board, and look, I'm starting breathing like that, and the upstrap of the nutmeg be steaming 1 spoon and give to the children who suffer from cough and cold. It's DIY home remedy. If you want to go to the doctor, you have to go. But first day you can use if your child have not much suffer from any fever of and cold cough, then it's useful. And look at how I'm using it. I'm straining the extract of the jaipal and now using some honey. Now we mix it well and give to the child. Please try it. It's very effective. I gave to my little one, and you will see the result after using that. Please not giving it is beneficial to give your child, but please don't give the extra amount of it. I am using half, it means 2 to 3 drop of extract of jack and nutmeg, and using honey half a tablespoon, and rub with fingertip on it and give to my little one. Thank you.